In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch between views in Airtable so you can see your data exactly the way you need it. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To start, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once you're there, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you're logged in, open the base you want to edit. This is the main workspace that holds all your related tables. Then, select the table you'd like to work with. Each table contains structured records, like a sheet in a spreadsheet, so pick the one that has the data you're currently focused on. Now, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Views. This lists every saved view for that table. Airtable lets you look at the same set of records in completely different layouts, like a grid, calendar, gallery, or Kanban board. Take a moment to review the list of available views. When you find the one you want to use, simply click its name. Airtable will load that view, usually within a second or two, so just wait for it to finish. Once it's loaded, verify that the layout and the records shown match what you expected. That way you know you're in the right spot. You can repeat this process anytime you need to switch to another view. Just click a different view name from that same list in the sidebar, and Airtable instantly brings it up. All your filters, sorting, and layout choices that are specific to that view will automatically apply, so you don't have to redo any setup. And here's a great thing: switching views does not change your underlying records at all. The data stays the same, only the way you see it changes. Airtable also saves your work as you switch, so you never lose any changes you've made. One helpful tip is to use descriptive view names, like upcoming project tasks or client meetings this month, so you can quickly find the view you need. And if you have different workflows or reporting needs, consider creating multiple views for the same table. Each one can highlight exactly what is most useful for that particular task. That wraps it up. You now know how to switch between views in Airtable, giving you a cleaner, more flexible way to work with your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.